If you want to learn web development but don't know where to start, this HTML crash course is for you. HTML is the foundation of every website. Once you understand this, CSS and JavaScript become easy. Remember, HTML is a structure, it's not a programming language, and all the browser reads HTML tags. Let's talk about the HTML structure. It has tags like doc type, HTML, head, body, and title. Doc type HTML is a mandatory declaration at the very top of an HTML document that tells the browser it's an HTML5 page, ensuring it renders in standard modes for consistent display, acting as an information instruction rather than a tag, and simply defined as doc type HTML for modern web pages. What it does: the HTML version informs the browser which HTML version to use. Standard mode prevents the browser from using outdated rendering modes, ensuring consistent behavior. Validation helps web validators check your code against standards. Placement must be the very first thing in the file before any HTML tag or other content. Syntax: it's not a tag but an instruction, so it has no closing tag. It can be written as small case doc type HTML or the uppercase, but the standard or common convention is doc type in caps and HTML in small. HTML head and body tags are fundamental structural elements of any HTML document, defining the entire page, its metadata, and its visible content. The HTML tag is the root element that includes all other elements of an HTML document. It signals the beginning and end of the document, and typically includes a lang attribute to declare the document's primary language. Common elements found within the head include: title defines the title of the document, which appears in the browser's title bar or page tab. This is required element in every HTML document. Meta specifies character set, page description, keywords, author, and viewport settings. Link used to link external resources such as CSS style sheets and favicons. Script embeds or links executable code, typically JavaScript. Style contains CSS for styling the document, although linking an external sheet is generally preferred. The head element is a container for metadata that is not displayed on the actual web page. Information in the head is used by the search engines to render the document correctly and for optimization purpose, that is SEO. The body element defines the main content of the HTML document that is visible to the user in the web browser. All text, images, videos, hyperlinks, tables, lists, and other displayed-oriented elements are contained within the body tags. The content example of content in the body are headings H1 through H6, paragraphs P, images, hyperlinks, divisions and sections, lists, tables. In summary, the head provides instructions and information about the page, while the body provides the actual content the user sees and interacts with. The HTML title tag is a required element and within the head section of an HTML document that defines the title of the web page. This title is not displayed on the page itself but serves several crucial functions for browsers, search engines, and users. The key functions: browser display: the text within the title tags appears in the browser's title bar or the page tab. It also serves as the default name when a user bookmarks or saves the page as a favorite. Search engine optimization: the title is a crucial on-page SEO factor. Search engine algorithms use the title content to understand the page topic and determine its relevance to user queries, which affect search ranking results. The title tag is typically displayed as the clickable headline link in search engine results pages. SERPs: a compelling and descriptive title can improve the click-through rate (CTR). So, social media sharing: when a link to the page is shared on social media platforms or messaging apps, the content of the title tag is often used as the link's preview headline. Now, the usage and syntax: the title tag must be placed inside the head element of an HTML document. There can only be one title element per document. So the best practices for optimization: keep it concise. Aim for a length of 50 to 60 characters to ensure the full title is displayed on most of SERPs and in browser tabs without being truncated. Be descriptive and unique. Each page should have a unique title that accurately summarizes its specific content. Include keywords. Place relevant keywords close to the beginning of the title, but avoid keyword stuffing, as this harms readability and can negatively impact SEO. Right for users first. While keywords are important for search engines, the title should also be engaging and human readable to encourage clicks. Consider branding. Adding your brand name at the end of the title, often separated by a pipe or a dash, can help with brand recognition. Take a look at the practical example of HTML structure page. Here we have the doc type HTML at the very beginning of our document, and then we have the HTML tag, and inside we have attribute lang, that is language attribute, and here we have the English by default. And then we have the head tag. Inside head tag we have the character set, name, content, and then the title. There we have the title, and then the link to the CSS file. These are all in the head tag. Then we have the body tag, and inside the body tag we have the heading 1, h1, and then we have the paragraph, simple paragraph, then with a style like the color blue violet, and then we have the link to an image, and then we have a div, and after that we have unordered list like this. So this is a basic HTML structure, and after that head and body tag we have the HTML closing tag. So you see we have the opening tags for head, body and HTML, but we don't have closing tag for doc type HTML. So this is it for the HTML structure, basic structure.